Right, we've got the purple shark, which has got different power settings. It also has a light bar on here. It folds away neatly in there. I'm just doing another little quick thing. Got a few little bits on the floor, so that's on slow. So it doesn't kick it all up. Picks it up nicely. And it's not as loud as well then. Would still take the cat's, but I love that light on the bottom there. So all the bits that come off, they picks it up nice and neat. It does do it even on the lower one. Just a quick once over. Just show you what it does. The cats wouldn't touch those things. But yeah, this is the Shark's purple vacuum. This is the UK one, which has different filters that you can't use on the other ones. So that's one of the little things. And if we turn it off, as it says there, that's that one. I hit the other one the first time I did it. I didn't realise I hit the other one that released the front. So it's the back one you want to do. Oh my lord. When it came off. So yeah, that's the unit there. There's a filter inside of here. And they were getting very difficult to get hold of the filters. That's the issue with it, with all these things. So yeah. Take that outside to show you. The sun's coming down lovely. I put some pizzas out for there's bow tie. I put some pizzas out for him, but even they didn't want it. I had a bit of a bellyache last night and I didn't feel too good, but you let me know if they're good or not, don't you? But back to this, yeah, it just lifts out the filter part, but then this is the release bin, so if you can release it into a compost bin, it comes out. Also, if you put it on the thing, you can always catch stuff then. So he's been having a sleep. Well, she's having a sleep, I don't know. You're dry now. Fluffy was here, but she... And then there's the filter to tap out on the back part here. We'll replace them if you've got another one. Clean it takes time. That's white to begin with. And there's a second part to that inside of that. But that's just from that picking up inside. It picks up that fine stuff. There you go. Got the other one there. It's an absolutely beautiful day, it really is. I want to get out and do some more stuff, but I'm just doing a bit of cleaning as much as I can. I'm still on light duties after my hospital and my surgery. So I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for the support and kind words. Do what you can. What you got is blessing you. Right. I'm going to keep doing a bit of cleaning as much as I physically can. I was absolutely... That camera does not do it justice. Blinded here.